a 40-year celebration in the making.
An adventure is yours at the Tacoma Public Library.
And baby hygiene is available at the Children's Museum.
These stories and more on Tacoma Report.
Hi, I'm Angie Foster.
And I'm Laura Proctor. Welcome to Tacoma Report. Turning 40 is quite an achievement, and if you're one of the largest wood dome structures in the world, an iconic symbol of Tacoma, then it's time for a party. Dan Strothman has more on this red carpet treatment celebration.
On the evening of August 18th, hundreds of people attended the world premiere of the new documentary, It's the Dome, Now and Forever.
We've had the absolute pleasure of producing this film in honor of the 40th year of the Tacoma Dome here in Tacoma, Washington.
Attendees were treated to a pre-show buffet and cocktail hour, where they mingled and shared some of their favorite dome memories.
This looks like a really fun event, and I've been to the Tacoma Dome for a lot of events, and I just wanted to celebrate it. Remember seeing the Police here, the Eagles, Bruce Springsteen, many, many great music concerts.
The legendary David Bowie himself opened the dome in style on August 11th, 1983.
I remember when the Tacoma Dome was first arriving. I went to a hockey game here before when the SaberCats were here. We miss hockey.
After grabbing some popcorn, audience members took their seats for the screening, as Mayor Victoria Woodard shared her own favorite dome memories.
Being here to witness Michelle Obama's largest sold-out venue in the country. Each one of you sitting here this evening are here not just to celebrate, but because somewhere in you, in your heart, in your memories, there's something special about this place.
It's the dome.
The filmmakers who created this documentary say it was a labor of love, and also a love letter to the citizens of Tacoma.
Our hope for this is that it feels like a community project, because it is.
It's a walkthrough of like the history of the dome and how it's really like impacted history, impacted the community, impacted just all these different events that just come here. It's so cool to learn about that.
If you live in Tacoma, if you're from Tacoma, if you call Tacoma home, you got to tune in and watch this. Be a part of the collective story, and all the experiences that have happened at the Dome over the last 40 years, you're a part of that. So check it out.
And you can check out this documentary for yourself, airing now on TV Tacoma. This is Dan Strothman for Tacoma Report.
A lot is going on at the Tacoma Public Library. For starters, Tacoma Reads, the all-ages citywide book club, has launched September 1st. The Tacoma Public Library, in partnership with the Mayor's Office, announced this year's title selections will focus on the theme of housing insecurity in our community through 3 books, one for each reading level. Participants can read the selected books and attend author events, workshops, performances, and more. To check out this year's selections and for the latest information on Tacoma Reads, visit the Tacoma Public Library's website.
For any resident who doesn't have a library card to check out their favorite book or participate in Tacoma Reads, then they're due for an adventure at the Tacoma Public Library. Stacy Ellifrit has more on all that a library card has to offer.
During the month of September, libraries unite in a national effort to ensure everyone signs up for their own library card. This card can be used to check out materials, both physical and digital, but there's so much more a Tacoma Public Library card can do.
You can also use a library card to access e-resources. Some of our most popular apps that you can download are Libby and Canopy. We also have a lot of things you wouldn't expect from a library. So you can check out a mobile hotspot. If you don't have reliable internet, or if you're traveling and you need to take high-speed internet with you, you can take the kit with you. You can also check out a podcast kit. If you're into podcasting or you're just starting out and you want to try it, it comes with all the things you need to get started. And of course, we also have classes you can take with that to get started.
Some other things you can check out that add a lot of value to your library card are museum passes to places like the Tacoma Art Museum, Foss Waterway Seaport, Museum of Glass, and more.
It gives you all of these great ways to access just a variety of information, entertainment, and things that enrich your life.
For those who enjoy nature, you can also check out a Discover Pass. Then, after you're done with the great outdoors, come inside your local library for workshops and classes, events for all ages, and student resources. All you need to access all of this is to sign up for your own library card.
You can visit our website to make an application for an e-card, or you can just come into any library. All you'll need is an ID, and if your address is different from the one on your ID, you just bring a piece of mail so we can verify your address.
This September, TPL is running a campaign to showcase available services and encourage library card signups. For Tacoma Report, I'm Stacey Ellifrit.
All City of Tacoma residents are eligible for a free library card, as are those who meet certain criteria. To view these criteria and to find out more about all that's available at the Tacoma Public Library, visit their website.
Rounding out a busy month for the library is the temporary closure of the main branch located in downtown Tacoma, starting on September 1st. This remodeling will update the interior and exterior to improve safety, accessibility, and efficiency, and make space for new nonprofit tenants. Library patrons are asked to use one of TPL's 7 other libraries for holds pickup, technology access, and other library services. This location is expected to reopen in spring of 2024.
Do you have an idea for a project that will help protect local waterways from stormwater pollution? Then apply for a Make a Splash grant through the city's Surface Water Management Program. Participants could be eligible to receive reimbursement of up to $4,000 for projects that prevent stormwater pollution or protect and restore our lakes, streams, and Puget Sound. Applications are open from September 1st through September 29th, 2023. To apply, visit cityoftacoma.org/makeasplash.
The Green Trike Monarch Diaper Bank opened for operation in August at the Children's Museum in Tacoma. The bank provides free 5-day diapering supplies to families on Thursdays and Saturdays at the Children's Museum. The pilot program includes future expansion for additional operational days, with a second location planned for the Children's Museum at Joint Base Lewis McChord. To learn more on how you can donate to the Monarch Diaper Bank, visit the Green Trike website.
After the break, we'll launch right into the Hilltop Street Festival.
And later in September, the Link Light Rail will be sharing MLK Way. Stay with us.
Do you know what Tidy Up Tacoma is? It is a city-run program that supports clean and healthy neighborhoods with litter and debris cleanup, graffiti removal, trail maintenance, public garbage can maintenance, and more. We need your feedback to know where and how we should focus cleanup efforts in our city. Participate by answering the survey at cityoftacoma.org/tidyup.
I already answered it. It's easy, fast, and one lucky person will win a $100 gift card for completing the survey.
Help support clean and healthy neighborhoods. Share your ideas with the city so they can provide the services you need where you live, work, or play. This message is supported by the City of Tacoma and the Tidy Up Tacoma campaign.
For more information, please visit cityoftacoma.org/tidyup.
Welcome back to Tacoma Report. As summer winds down to an unofficial close, the Hilltop Street Fair, hailed as one of Tacoma's largest events, featured practically something for everyone. From classic cars to bouncy things and more, producer Dan Strothman and videographer Cheryl DeMarc fills us in on the story.
Today is the 9th annual Hilltop Street Fair presented by the Hilltop Business Association. The street fair is important to the Hilltop because not only does it bring the community together, but it brings people from outside of the community to the Hilltop to kind of showcase, what the Hilltop is really about.
It's been going on for some years now, and it's not our first rodeo here, so we've definitely been here once or twice. So Yeah, it's always fun. Good time here.
I love supporting my local community. I love coming out here and just eating good food and listening to some good music.
Not only does it for the community, but it benefits the businesses of the Hilltop. And that's kind of what the mission of the Hilltop Business Association is to support the Hilltop businesses and the Hilltop business community, and also bring the community together.
It's a good thing they do it for the community.
Just appreciating the vibe, and it's a cool scene. It's safe. It's good security out here.
We want to continue the tradition of putting on a great event and make it bigger and better every year for you guys.
Prepare for fall through the EnviroHouse Free Home and Garden Workshop series. Sessions are held on site at the EnviroHouse, located at the Tacoma Recovery and Transfer Center. There are a variety of sustainable home and garden topics, including fall and winter gardening, weatherizing your home, DIY projects using upcycled fabric, and many more. These workshops are free, but registration is required. To find out more and to sign up for an upcoming workshop, visit the city's website.
The city's equity and contracting team is hosting a workshop on technical assistance and resources available to small businesses on September 13th from 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. This free event is offered in a hybrid format with virtual and in-person options available for attendees. Topics include an overview of the city's equity and contracting program, small business financing, the Washington Apex Accelerator, and more. To register, visit the MakeItTacoma.com website.
Underserved students just wrapped up the second year of a unique internship program put together by Tacoma Public Utilities. Mike Ziak tells us more about it.
There's a summer internship program that happens at Tacoma Public Utilities that has the students talking.
Oh, my favorite would be the Energy Control Center.
My favorite part about this experience would be for when we visited the dam at Mossy Rock.
It was really inspiring. I got to learn about what it's like to be an engineer.
I was able to talk with professionals that really inspiring.
I think my favorite part was visiting the EnviroHouse and just seeing how...
It's the MESA Summer Internship Program. MESA stands for Math, Engineering, Science Achievement. And TPU puts together a 10-day program that immerses the students into a behind-the-scenes look at careers at the utility. For the second year, TPU partnered with the MESA programs housed at Tacoma Community College and Pacific Lutheran University to gather this year's enthusiastic students. Students then met with employees to learn about the value of mentorship, STEM skills, and the importance of the work being done and the services provided at the utilities from a technological, community, and environmental perspective. And they learned a lot about different career paths that the utility has to offer.
It speaks volumes on Tacoma Public Utilities that they are investing in Tacoma students and providing them the opportunity to learn about what Tacoma Public Utilities offers and self-identity in the STEM fields.
Students have an opportunity here to participate in an internship and explore all kinds of different career pathways that tie directly to STEM. So science, technology, engineering, math, it's all right here at Tacoma Public Utilities.
At Tacoma Public Utilities, workforce development means finding opportunities to open and create pathways for students so we have a diverse, skilled, and ready workforce for the future. Continuing these types of opportunities with MESA is critical to achieving our goal of having a workforce that reflects the community we serve. Reporting for Tacoma Report, I'm Mike Ziak.
For more information about next year's program, visit TCC and PLU's website and search MESA. You can also find out more at mytpu.org/careers/internships.
Got that particular glow to you? Well, it may be the golf balls. This fall, Metro Parks Tacoma welcomes back Glow Golf at the Meadow Park Golf Course on Friday and Saturday evenings beginning September 22nd through December. Tee times start at sunset with the last at 11 p.m. LED golf balls are provided and all you will need is your best night vision for an evening of fun with your friends. This night experience features a round of golf on the Meadow Park Golf Course, lighted LED golf balls to see your perfect night shot, along with glow swag to light up your night. Online reservations only and no powered carts.
That wraps up this edition of Tacoma Report.
A great way to find out about the services the City of Tacoma has to offer is by going to cityoftacoma.org.
We leave you now in the waning days of summer and, of course, summer picnics. I'm Laura Proctor.
From backyard barbecues to beach parties, enjoy the last of your sunny summer. I'm Angie Foster. Thanks for watching.